Good morning. Myself Dr. Mahesh Kumar, and today my talk on topic Agni Karma. Application of Agni Karma in surgical practice. I have two lecture of Agni Karma. I am just going to deliver lecture 1 and lecture 2 will deliver in next session. The Agni Karma is defined in practical way as intentional therapeutic heat burn therapy. In another way, the रोग निवारणाय सुमाध्यमेन अग्नि मात्रावत् स्थानिकं प्रयोगम अग्निकर्म उच्यते. This is the practical definition of Agni Karma. The aim of the presentation is to project the importance of Agni Karma in our daily clinical practice and try to show that it may have potency to treat various diseases. Also, try to expose the Agni Karma in Ayurvedic text to provide platform for scientific research. Introduction. As you know, the Ayurveda is the science of life and it have active role in treating various various diseases and also help in promoting health of healthy persons. The Shalya Tantra is the surgical discipline of Ayurveda, one of the part of Ashtanga Ayurveda, and its uniqueness is that it have dual treatment modalities, Shastra Karma and Anushastra Karma. The Shastra Karma means includes the surgical procedures and Anushastra includes the parasurgical procedures, means a type of surgical procedures in which Char, Agni and Jaloka are used as tools. Among parasurgical procedures, Agni Karma is one of them. And therapeutically heat, in this the therapeutically heat applied locally with the help of Salaka, Sneh, Madhu, etc. Dahan Upkarans, and it produces positive effects. The Salaka are made up of Tamra, Lauh, Rajat, Sword, Panch Dhatu, and when it red hotted, then used for Agni Karma. Its uniqueness that it is a day care procedures and can be performed in OPD level, and the primary indication of Agni Karma is in the diseases which are caused by Vat and Kapha dosas. The Agni Karma, term Agni Karma is made up of two words, Agni and Karma. Agni derived from the root Agigatayu Agyati, Agnyamna na prapyanti. That means it gives the rebirth, is utilized to cure and prevent the diseases. The Karma means Kriya, Chikitsa means action. So, according to Dalhart, the Agni Karma is Agni plus Karma, and the Agnina Kritva Yat Karma, Agni Sambandhi Va Yat Karma, Tad Agni Karma. In Ayurveda, the Agni Karma defined as Agni Kritva Yat Karma, Agni द्वारा किया गया कार्य या अग्नि से संबंधित किया गया कार्य अग्नि कर्म कहलाता है. It quoted by Dalhart on Sushrut Sutra Sthan chapter 12.2. The Agni is have a old historical importance and is one of the most important devata. He is a god of fire. The word Agni is used for fire, that means cognate with ignis, and Agni has three forms: fire, lightning, sun. According to Ayurveda ethics, before 2350 BC, Agni Karma was well established and well developed in Ayurveda, and it also described in various ancient Ayurvedic texts, literatures, classics, commentaries, and others also. The karma means therapy or chikitsa. The definition, as I told earlier, the Agni Karma is intentional therapeutic heat burn therapy which is used in proper way for a particular purpose with the help of certain things, means Dahan Upkaran. The references are broadly mentioned in Sushrut Samhita, Charak Samhita, Vagbhat and many other Ayurvedic texts. But in Sushrut Samhita, Sutra Sthan, chapter number 12, Agni Karma Vidhi Adhyaya, the Agni Karma as Anushastra described in detail in scientific way and in systematic way. Why the Agni Karma is superior? The superiority of Agni Karma mentioned in Ayurveda as this क्षाराद अग्नि गरियान क्रियासु व्याख्यातः तद्दग्धानां रोगाणाम पुनर्भावाद भेषज शस्त्र क्षारैर असाध्यानाम तत्साध्यत्वाच. मीन्स द अग्निकर्म क्षार कर्म से श्रेष्ठ है, क्योंकि अग्निकर्म से दग्ध करने पर रोगों का रिकरेंस और पुनरुद्भव नहीं होता है, और भेषज शस्त्र और क्षार से असाध्य रोग में भी अग्निकर्म साध्य हो सकता है. डल्हड़ मेंशन देन अग्नि तप्तेन शस्त्रेण छिद्यांत अन्यथा आतप्त शस्त्र छेदेन पाक भयम स्यात्. दिस इज द बेसिक concept of sterilization which is mentioned by Dallard in context to Sushruta Sutrasthan 2/46. Means the Chedan karma means excision or surgical procedure should be performed with the help of Agni Tapta Shastra. If you perform without Agni Tapta Shastra, there is chances of suppuration or infection. To avoid the suppuration or infection, the Agni Tapta or sterilization is compulsory. Now, while going to describe the scope or superiority, it also shows that it needs expertise. And the Agni removes the root cause of diseases. It contracts the vessels after the karma, and it prevents the bleeding from the hemorrhage site. It manages the hemorrhage from the blood vessels. It is superior due to the simple technique and optimum result and day care procedures. What are the classification? The Agni Karma is classified in many ways. According to Dravya, it may be Snigdha Agni Karma or Ruchha Agni Karma. The Snigdha Agni Karma are performed with the help of Madhu, Ghrit, Tail at the site of Sira, Snayu, Sandhi, Asti, Gat, Dagdh. Ruchha Agni Karma performed with Dahan Upkaran by Pipli, Salaka, Godant at the site of Twak and Mans. According to Akriti, it may be Balay, Bindu, Bilekha, Pratisaran, Ardchandra, Swastik and Ashtapad. The Balay, Bindu, Bilekha, Pratisaran, Ardchandra, Swastik, Ashtapad are the shape formed during the Agni Karma procedures. According to site, it may be Sthanik, that is localized site, or may be systematic, Sthanantriya, as in Gridhrasi. According to disease, iners, Kadar, after Agni Karma used after Chedan or surgical excision, in sinus and fistula is done during procedures, and in Krimi Danta it done after filling by the Guda. The Dahanupkarana Sabda term used in Ayurveda is for materials that is used in Agni Karma. The Pipli, Aja, Sakrit, Godant, Sar, Salaka, Jambost, Itarloh, Chaudrugud and Sneh. These are the Dahan Upkaran mentioned by Sushruta in Sutrasthan 12, and these are the material. The Pipli, Aja, Sakrit, Godant, Sar, Salaka are used for Twaggat Dagd, Jambost and Itarloh used for the Mansgat Dagd, and Chaudrugud and Sneh are used for the Agni Karma at the site of Sira, Snayu, Sandhi, Asti, Gat. The photograph shows the Dahan Upkaran or materials or tools used for Agni Karma is like Agni Karma Salaka, Tamra Salaka, Goat, Mingni, Varti, Grit, Madhu, Gud, etc. अथेमान दहनोपकरणानि भवन्ति तद्यथा पिप्पल्याजा सकृत गोदंत सर सलाका छौद्रगुण स्नेहांश्च तत्र पिप्पल्याजा सकृत गोदंत सर सलाका त्वगतानां जाम्बो शीतलोहा मांसगतानां छौद्रगुण स्नेहा सिरा स्नायु संधि अस्थि गतानां. Now, Agni Karma Kal. Agni Karma can be performed in any season, but additional safety measures in Sarad and Grishma Ritu should be taken as mentioned in Sushruta Sutrasthan 12. What are the material required for Agni Karma is some solutions are Trifla Quath, Panchvalkal Quath, water, normal salines to clean the local parts, heat source to make the hotness in salakas and dahan upkarans. Salaka, grit, tel, etc. The materials used as a tools in Agni Karma. Grit Kumari pulp as a cooling agent and Ashtimadhu Chuna as a healers, and the dressing and bandage materials which are applied after the procedures. These figure shows the dahan upkaran and materials used in Agni Karma. Heat source and Agni Karma Salaka shows in figure 1. The Triflaquat for cleaning local parts shows in figure 2. And in 3 and 4 the equipments which are required for the therapy in Agni Karma. The method of Agni Karma को कैसे करें? What are the procedures of Agni Karma? As the Agni Karma procedures classified in 3 steps: Purv Karma, Pradhan Karma, Paschat Karma. The Purv Karma means pre-procedures, preparations prior the Agni Karma, done according to site, Vyadhi, strength of the patient and Ritu. Explain about the procedure to patient and take the informed consent before going to perform the Agni Karma. Give Pichil Anna or some drinks before therapy and clean the surface by Trifla Quath, Panchavalkal Quath, and prepare the part of local part with this. Drape the unnecessary exposed part of the patient. Only the therapy site should be exposed. Main procedures, that is Pradhan Karma. With the help of certain things, e.g. copper, Panchadhatu, etc., rod, which are designed in a specific form, Agni Karma Salaka, oil, pipali, madhu, etc., after red hot, applied locally in form of a circle, dot, line, rubbing, that is Balaya, Bindu, Bilekha, Pratisaran, or in other forms, Ardhachandra, Swastik, Ashtapat. In this shape properly. Burn by red hot salaka, etc. as per need. The salaka of various dhatu used in patient by panch dhatu salaka. Samyak dagdh could be made satisfactorily. The post-operative procedures, Paschat Karma. It includes Patyapat and follow-up. After doing therapeutic burn applied locally, Ghrit Kumari Swaras, Yashtimadhu Churns, Sali Muladi, Setal Lep, Sadhaud Ghrit, on burn site act as a cooling and healing agent. Loose bandaging with Yashtimadhu Churn for next 24 hours. Prevent the site from water or contamination to prevent sepsis. It should be done approximate for 24 hours. Then remove the bandage. Use coconut oil, Jatyadi oil, etc. till completely healed. The same event repeated for 1 to 3 to 5 to 8 times at weekly interval depend upon the disease conditions and the problems and upasaya and upasaya after the therapy. This is a simple photograph which shows the steps of Agni Karma in a case of calcaneal spur. In figure 1, local part preparation, figure 2, clean part, figure 3, the Agni Karma Salaka used for Dagdha at the calcaneal bone sites. In next figure, the aloe vera pulp applied as a cooling agent after burn. And in next, the Yashtimadhu Churn used for bandaging. Indications of Agni Karma. Agni Karma kahan kare? As I told earlier that the Agni Karma is predominantly indicated in the diseases caused by Vat dosh and Pitta dosh. First of all, pain. Vivid Vat Vedana, severe pain due to Vayu entrapped at the Tvak, Mans, Sira, Snayu, Asti, Sandhi. In this, the Agni Karma indicated. Istamba, stiffness. Ars, Adhimans cases, Granthi, Brad. The Brad, which are chronic in nature, non-healings, and are elevated, have elevated senseless and hard margins. Sirached are in Raktatisram, post-amputation hemorrhage, Sirached, etc. in form of cautery, which are more beneficial. The Arbut, Nadi Brad, Bhagandar, Charmkeel, goiter, Slipat, Antrabridhi, Sirorog, Adhimant, etc. are indicative disease of Agni Karma. This Charak and Susrut mentioned is Slok. Charak mentioned as Charak Chikitsa 25 upon 101-102 that Rudhir Ati Pravritte to Chinne Chede Adhimanske Kaf Granthisu गंडेषु वात स्तंभ अनिलार्तिषु गूढ़पोयालसिकेषु गंभीरेषु स्त्रेषु च कृलिप्तेषु चांगदेशेषु कर्माग्नि संस्पृश्यते. सुश्रुत mention the in Sutrasthan 12 that त्वक मांस शिरा स्नायु संधि अस्थि अत्युग्र रुजि वायु उच्छ्रित कठिन सुप्त मांसे व्रणे ग्रंथि अपची अर्बुद भगंदर अपची स्लीपद चर्मकील तिलकालक आंत्रवृद्धि शिराछेदनादिषु नाड़ी सोडित अति प्रवृत्तिषु अग्निकर्मा कुर्यात्. Other indications are practical indication in which most of the clinicians performing Agnikarma are hypertrophic scar, sciatica or gridhrasi, sphuran, tingling, suptata, numbness, idiopathic pain, tennis elbow is disease means lateral epicondylitis, golfer elbow means medial epicondylitis, khalli, cramps, padhars, constant tingling sensation of feet, Biswachi, brachial neuritis or radial neuritis, Siragat Vat, ingorged veins, Siragat Grah, trigeminal neuralgia, Kampvat, tremors and palsy, Toggat Vat, peripheral neuritis, Mansgat Vat, myopathic conditions, Manyastambh, torticollis or neck rigidity, Hanugrah, lockjaw, osteoarthritis, cervical spondylitis, and in many other cases like Charmkeel, warts, Masak, that is elevated moles, Tilkalak, and that is non-elevated moles, Jatumadi, that is congenital mole, Balmiki, the murder foot, or actinomycosis. On seeing the above, that it came that most of the diseases belonging to the dosas which caused disease are Vatas and Kaphas. The Vatnanatmak Vikar are 80 and the Kaphas Ninatmak Vikar are 20. And in most of the predominant cases due to Vatas and Kaphas, the Agni Karma may be a option for treatment depending upon the experience and expertness of the clinicians. What the conditions in which the Agni Karma is contraindicated are, it should be contraindicated as mentioned in slok by Acharya Susrut that Athiman Agnina Pariharet Pitta Prakritam Antah Soditam Bhinna Koshtam Anudrita Salyam Durbalam Balam Bridham Bhirum Anek Brad Piditam Aswedans Cheti means that excess weak person, children's, old age, immunocompromised, Madhume, uncontrolled diabetes in which Swedan or sudation are contraindicated, Pitta diseases and in persons having Pitta Prakriti, Rak Pitti Rogi, Atisara, conditions of diarrhea, retaining salya or foreign body below the burn site, having multiple wounds and others conditions on the experience base of clinicians. Hopefully, I think that most of the aspects of Agni Karma are described here. In next lecture, I will describe the scope of Agni Karma, superiority of Agni Karma, and the next is the mode of action of Agni Karma. Thanks for your patience listening. Thank you so much.